Welcome you all for the today's session on effects of Reynolds number and unit quantities. The Reynolds number is a ratio of inertia force to viscous force. It is given by the expression Re is equals to rho Vd by mu. So here rho is equals to density of the fluid, V is the mean velocity of the fluid and d is the diameter of the pipe, and mu is equals to absolute velocity of the fluid. This is the ratio of absolute velocity to density, that is called as kinematic viscosity of the fluid, that is denoted by nu. So now we can write this expression as the Reynolds number is equals to Vd by nu. So what is the effects of the Reynolds number? If Reynolds number is lesser than 2000, then flow is called as laminar. So in this case, the viscous effects are more than the inertia effect. In case if Reynolds number is greater than 4000, then the flow is turbulent, so where the inertia is more than the viscous effects. But in case of turbo machine, the Reynolds number is equals to rho Vd by mu. So here Reynolds number is not a much important parameter. So because in turbo machine, there are so many losses are considered. So because losses occurs due to the shock at entry, turbulence of the fluid, the impact and leakage of the fluids from the turbine. So for that reason, so this Reynolds number is not a much important parameter in case of turbo machines, because the so many other resistance and the friction are encountered or accounted during the calculation of the performance of turbo machine. The next topic on turbo machines, that is unit quantities. The unit quantities are defined for the head of 1 meter. See, that first one is unit flow. It is the flow of 1 meter cube per second of discharge that occurs through the turbo machine while working under the head of 1 meter. So that is the definition for unit flow. The discharge is directly proportional to square root of 2gh. We know that the discharge is equals to area into velocity. If take area as a constant here, that means the Q is directly proportional to velocity. The velocity is given by the expression square root of 2gh. For that reason, the discharge is directly proportional to square root of 2gh. Now we can write this expression as Q is equals to K into square root of h. So because where K is proportional constant, so now the K can be written as K is equals to QU, that is unit flow. Now Q is equals to QU, that is unit flow, into square root of H. So by the definition of the unit quantities, the unit flow, where head is equals to 1 meter, then Q is equals to QU. So now we can K is equals to QU. Therefore, unit flow is given by QU is equals to Q by square root of H. See, that is the expression for unit flow. The unit flow is given by QU is equals to Q by square root of H. The second unit quantity is, that is unit speed. It is the speed of the turbo machine when running under a head of 1 meter. So what is the speed of the machine? So why it is working under the head of 1 meter? So we know that head coefficient is equals to, that is denoted by the pi 2 term, that is a constant, is equals to gh by n square d square. So here the n square is directly proportional to h. Now we can write this expression as n is equals to k into square root of h. The k is equals to proportional constant. So when h is equals to 1 meter, n is equals to nu, therefore k is equals to nu. Therefore the unit speed is given by nu is equals to n by square root of h. So that is the expression for unit speed. So third unit quantity, that is unit power. The unit power is the power developed by the machine while working under a head of 1 meter. So we know that according to the power coefficient relation, that is given by pi 3 term is equals to P by rho n power 3 d power 5, or the P is directly proportional to n square into d square. So here rho is constant. So now we can write nd cube and d power 5 as n square d square into n into d power 3. So according to the head coefficient, the n square d square is equals to h, and according to the flow coefficient, nd cube is equals to q. So now this expression becomes P is directly proportional to head into discharge. The further, the P is equals to K, that is a proportional constant, into H, into the Q can be written as square root of H according to the unit flow. Therefore, the power is equals to K into H power 3 by 2. So here in previous expression, the P is equals to K into H into square root of H. So here H term is get simplified and it reduced to H power 3 by 2. So when H is equals to head is equals to 1 meter, then P is equals to Pu, or unit power. Therefore, the unit power is given by Pu is equals to P by H power 3 by 2. So that is the expression for unit power. Now it is in this slide, all three unit quantities are summarized. The unit flow, that is the flow of 1 meter cube per second, occurs through the turbo machine while working under a head of 1 meter, that is given by the expression Qu is equals to Q by H power half. Then unit speed is the speed of a machine when running under a head of 1 meter, and it is given by the expression Nu is equals to N by H power half. And unit power is the power developed by the machine working under a head of 1 meter, given by the expression Pu is equals to P by H power 3 by 2. And this is information related to Reynolds number, effects of the Reynolds number and unit quantities related to the turbo machine.